Josh here.
I'm Michelle.
And we are
Adventures Ahead.
And today, what do we got?
Treats box.
Treats!
Man, we already had a bunch of treats today.
Yeah,
so
we're kind of full, but we don't have to eat the whole box, so.
we don't have to.
That
That doesn't mean we won't.
Oh, Michelle.
Israel, right?
Israel, yes. Show the sticker. I think that's Israel. Over here, babe. You always show it to this side.
Bob. Over here, Bob.
Okay, Bob. Okay, I'm the one that controls
You
this.
open this. You do it.
So it's Old City, Jerusalem, Israel.
Shalom. I know, well, I went to a private Christian school, so we used to study a lot about Israel and Jerusalem. Just saying.
Okay, so go ahead and read some of them facts and a couple did you knows. You don't have to read all of them. And then
All
we'll
right.
save next
The
month.
language is Arabic. The climate is Mediterranean. The national holiday is the Sabbath, Hanukkah, and Yom Kippur. What are you doing?
What ifs, fam?
Did you know that the Dead Sea in Israel is the lowest point on Earth?
Yeah.
I did too. 1,315 feet below sea level at its lowest point. Israel is the only liberal democracy in the Middle East.
Wow. Okay. Let's get to the
Voicemail
treat.
technology was developed in Israel.
Let's get to the treats now. We'll save that for later. Oh, show them the recipe so they can pause it if they want.
What is it? Oh, falafel. Falafel.
Okay.
I like this.
So the first thing
Falafel. That's how you say it.
is Popco. And it says butterscotch flavored popcorn. Show them the package. And it says Popco are sweet popcorn treats with a delicate flavor of honey and butter. Made with carefully selected corn and whole corn kettles. Kernels.
You see it?
Jeez.
Well, you always get on me for that.
Okay, let's try it.
It smells good. It tastes good.
Hey, don't forget to drink water.
Oh my-
Wow.
This is good.
That was really good. That tastes like you just popped it in the microwave.
This tastes like you got it from a fair.
That's really good.
Woo!
Okay.
The right amount of salty and sweet. What's this? Tortit.
Tortit wafer. Tortit wafer is a delicious dark chocolate coated wafer bar filled with luscious almond cream. Crunchy in texture, the different flavors in this bar blend together to create a wonderful wafer
It's a
experience. I don't know what I just did, but
It smells almondy.
I don't like dark chocolate. I'm gonna take a bite of this.
Yeah,
and
I don't
yeah.
want the whole thing. It smells almondy. It's
Yeah. Nah.
You see it?
Did you just? The almond flavor is really good actually after you eat it. After you swallow it, it sticks with you.
Okay.
What do you think? Indifferent?
I don't like the almond flavor.
Okay, so next we have... So this company's really... Must be real popular. Because that was on the popcorn too.
This is
This is Bizzelli Falafel.
it's falafel.
Our falafel flavored Bissi chips. Bissi is one of the most popular bliss of flavors. Crunchy and delicious. Experience the unique taste of falafel. One of the most popular foods in the Middle East.
Here, have some of these.
How many did you take?
Falafels are made out of chickpeas and
Tastes like
nothing basically.
no, it tastes like a burrito.
A burrito.
A little bit. It tastes like Mexican flavor.
I see that.
This is Tuve Tam. Okay.
Oh.
Tuve Tam. Tuve Tam by Elite is a chocolate-covered wafer-coated wafer bar with chocolate cream filling. If you love chocolate, you're going to love Tuve Tam.
What
Yeah,
the
another
hell?
dark chocolate bar.
What's
What
that? I thought that was a mouse on there.
the?
What is that? What is that? Is that chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Ew. This is dark chocolate.
Make sure you get some of that. It's interesting.
I don't like that.
It's not bad. I like that better than the other one from Almond.
This is better.
I like it.
There's too much chocolate on the top.
Next is Barzali Pizza.
This is the
Here.
last thing.
Yep. Crunchy pizza
Basili.
flavored chips. It's a combination of Yiddish word.
Why are you doing that, sweetie?
How many did you grab?
2. I
Oh.
got one for you. I don't know if it's because I've eaten a lot, but these aren't that flavorful. That one was better. They use a lot of wheat snacks. These are all Desmi.
Yep, this one
Must
too.
be like Nabisco for
Okay, what's your favorite one out of the box?
the popcorn.
Popcorn, me too. Popcorn's the best.
This is pretty good.
The worst one for me is the almond.
Samesies.
Even though it was good though. It's like good. Nothing was terrible.
I like this, okay.
Yeah, I do too. And I
This
like
is-
that. That's
this is
okay.
good, too.
Yeah.
I'm still eating them.
Yeah, I was gonna say, Michelle's hogging them all. So this is the worst one, but it didn't taste bad actually. It was good. And the almond flavor is real strong.
Yeah, I don't like that.
So, okay guys, that's our treat box this month.
Let's do the.
Oh, I like to read it. Okay. Okay, put your hands out of it. You already ate a lot of dinners.
I had ice cream for dinner.
Okay, next clue for next month. I'm not sure what that building is. Is it Dubai? Next
Yeah.
month's treats come from a small island.
no.
That consists of many diverse environments, ranging from small farmlands to ancient temples to the urban nightlife of its major cities. It is famous for its bustling night markets. This country's garbage trucks play music, and their 7-Elevens are places to have sit-down meals.
What? Is that all?
It says it's an island. That picture right there, guys. Put your guesses below. Stop.
I was trying to focus.
I know. Put your guesses below. We don't know what this is. An island. Not Australia.
7-Eleven.
Australia's an island.
Indonesia
Isn't Australia an island technically?
is in India.
No, India is part of the continent.
Well, so is everything.
Not Australia.
That's its own continent.
I
Like
don't
New
know.
Zealand.
I don't know what this is. If you guys know what that picture is, let us know below in the comments. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to just watch us eat more, wait till next month.
If you want to see all of our room service we ate in our vlogs, people love that. And if you don't, go fly a kite. Bye.
Bye.